The Coach Empire, okay? It has been in my DMs. It has been in my timeline, okay? It keep calling me, asking me, can it come to my house? Finally, I gave in. I gave in. The Coach Empire is here. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits. And let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and be friends. It is free. It is. It's free. And let me say something, just real quick. YouTube tells me that there's some people that come by to visit, you know, do a little peeping, you know, peep. Say hello, okay, just every once in a while, and I appreciate it. You know, I appreciate a little check-in every once in a while. But why you don't want to be friends? Hit the subscribe button. It don't cost you anything, okay? And you gonna hurt my feelings. You gonna hurt my feelings because you like to come over. You just don't want to be friends. Hit the subscribe button. Don't hurt my feelings. Y'all know I'm sensitive. I'm real sensitive. All right, hit the subscribe button. Stop hurting my feelings. Okay, friends, now it's here. The Coach Empire bag. This bag came out, I want to say a year ago, right? I think about a year ago. Am I lying? Probably not. Listen, when it first came out, I wanted it. I wanted it in the market. No, I'm not going to stop talking. I'm not going to stop talking. I had somebody tell me, I don't know if it was this last video. I was about to say this video. Girl, how is this video? It was either last video or the video before last, talking about she talk a lot. Girl, well, I don't know, sir, ma'am, it's video, okay? Where in the title did it say ASMR? I'm supposed to, I mean, we can sit here and stare at each other, but I don't, what I'm supposed to do in the video but talk? You want me to, I mean, if I sing something, I'm going to have to charge a little extra. Well, I mean, anyway, I want, listen, they started it. Don't get mad at me, okay? But I wanted this bag when it first came out. Because all my friends got this bag, okay? My best friend, Winnie, has this bag. Well, Gene had the bag. Gene had the bag, and I think he sold it. I think he sold it. I could be wrong with that. But my friends had the bag. I wanted the bag. Okay, Winnie had Big Booty Judy. She loved her Big Booty Judy, okay? So I wanted the bag, and I was like, you know what? She got Big Booty Judy. I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on Big Back Bertha, okay? So I got Big Back Bertha here with me. And we're going to open it up, and then I'll tell you the backstory, just in case you cussing me out. Now, I took the little, obviously I took the shipping sticker off because people crazy. It's the internet, you know, even on Beyonce's internet, people crazy. And then I just cut the adhesive, or the sticker that keeps the box together. So I have not seen it. I'm gonna show you. I'm not lying. This box heavy though. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep holding this box up, but I'm real quick. It's gonna hit me in the face, and I see it coming. Let me put it on my lap for a second, cause the little it's hard. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I see something black. What's that? Oh, right there, right there. Okay, this is, thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941. Alright. They flex. They said they've been here for a long time, not a good time. That's flex. Coach, I see what you're doing. They said they've been here for a long time, not a good time. Put some respect on their name. I respect you, ma'am. Okay, now this is not stuck to it, but I think they meant to. But that's okay. Save my little sticker. I ain't mad. Here we go. Here she is. Okay, I'm gonna take this out the box. Cause the way my muscles are set up, she is retired Army. Okay? My muscles is retired as well. Okay? I don't care if you talk about me. Here she is. Alright. Okay, so I was filling her up real quick. From the size of it, I'm a little confused. I ain't mad. I'm a little confused. Now, this is the Coach Empire 40. I assume from all the videos, and even Winnie with her big booty Judy, it looks bigger. Now, it could be on camera, but I'm okay with the size. Don't get me wrong. But it looks bigger. Okay? I'm going to have to check my receipt, honey. Make sure this is the 40. Okay, let's see what color I got. Let's see what color I got. Color I got. Okay. Color I got. Because in my mind, this is going to be fire. Oh, why did you squish my handles down lazy? That's alright. That's alright. Ah! Okay. Now, while I take the little wrapping off, listen, don't act like you in a rush to see a Tote bag. Okay, this bag is a year old. It's Coach new it bag. It's been all over these YouTube streets. You ain't waiting for me. Alright, and if you is, I'm sorry. Let me get it off my chest, friend. That's what friends is for, okay? I put up with your bullshit. You put up with my bullshit. That's a friend. Alright. Now, I wanted this bag when it first came out, but I wasn't decided on the color. And, you know, because I was initially attracted, I'm still attracted. I don't know why I say initially like I'm still not. The Merlot color, like y'all know the Merlot is really pretty, really pretty. I wanted that, and when I put this one in my cart, this is the black. When I put this one in my cart, I literally 20 times went from putting the Merlot to the black to the maple, the brown one to the Merlot to the black. Okay, then I was like, all right, slow down, think about this. So I said Merlot. I have the Senreve in burgundy wine color, right? And y'all heard that story. I love that bag. I love the Mastrea bag, but my mind only lets me wear the Merlot in the fall, okay, and in the winter. Even though I do believe you should wear your bags whenever, when it comes to Merlot, okay, my brain tells me one thing, my heart does another. Wear it in the fall and winter. So I was like, okay, pretty color, let it go, because you already see how you treat the Senreve. And then I didn't want black because I have the Gucci bag, I have the Pauline bag, and then I just got, which was the big, where is that bag at? I just got the Louis Vuitton on the go in black. Now I also have the Steve Madden, and I love that bag too. But the Steve Madden, I don't want to say it's a cheap bag. It was $120, okay? In this economy, $120 is a lot of money. But it's not a contemporary brand, and it's definitely not a luxury brand. So I didn't really factor in the Steve Madden bag. So I was like, girl, the practical one is the black. The practical one is the black. Because at least with the, this is how I'm still, listen, it's still, in my mind, it still make perfect sense. Leave me alone. Because I said, get the black. Because at least the Antigona and the Givenchy are luxury handbags. They're from luxury brands. They cost me thousands of dollars, okay? Now, don't get me wrong. This still a pretty penny, okay? This is still a pretty penny. But I think I checked out at $7.50. So, is $7.50 a lot of money? Yes, it is. For a handbag, absolutely, it's a lot of money for a handbag. However, you know my logic. If something happens to this bag, I would be upset. If something happens to my on the go or my Givenchy that costs thousands of dollars, I'm gonna be angry. Like I'm throwing hands. There's a I'm gonna be upset, You know, maybe, oh, I can't believe that happened. You know, I'm a little mad. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be upset. Okay? So there's a difference. This is, to me, this is contemporary. I didn't say it wasn't good quality. It was cheap. I didn't say none of that. So don't come for me if you one of the people that think Coach is a luxury brand. I love that for you. For me, and in my mind, okay, Coach is a contemporary, beautiful, okay, great quality contemporary brand. Louis Vuitton, Givenchy are luxury brands. So that's, say all that to say, that's how I justify getting the black, even though I already got black handbags. Okay, now I'm gonna take all the stickers off of this. And then we gonna, I mean, y'all seen these bags before. I don't know. I ain't doing all that. Okay. Now, also, let me make sure this is the 40. Because this is big. But it ain't as big. It's the 40. Girl, it's the 40. Here we go. That is her. I love her. Okay. It comes with a strap. Just in case. I'm saying just in case. But there ain't no way you haven't seen this bag all over either YouTube streets or TikTok streets. So we're going to do it. We're going to do it. Okay. There she is. Alright, and then on the inside you have I'm gonna have to take all this out later. Alright, let's take it out and switch out of this bag. Why not? Hold on, y'all see, don't curse me out. Y'all see me dumping this stuff. I didn't tell Coach to put all this stuff in here. Alright. I got the gel packs. Okay. Now in the black, it's black interior with, oh, now what was that? Oh, a little foam. Okay. With a little, oh, okay. With a little slit pocket that do have a little snap right there. Cool, cool. And then a little key ringer, key finder there. Alright, now one thing Coach gonna do is protect these bags. With all the stuffing and plastic your little heart desires, okay? I ain't mad at it though. I'll take all that out later. Now this does retail for $6.95, okay? Again, with taxes, I think I was like at $7.50. Something like that. Close to that. No more than $7.50, let's say that. Alright, but it does retail for $6.95. So just do the math with your taxes. Now, am I getting it? Yeah, why not? Okay, so this is my bag of the day. This is the Marc Jacobs Tote bag in the tan leather, beige leather. No, beige leather, because tan is a little deeper shade, right? Let's go with that. Okay, so I'm going to switch out of this bag and get into this bag so you can kind of see what fits. Even though it's nowhere near comparable. Matter of fact, while we do comparable, well, let me put this in here first. Okay, so I have my Gucci Compact, my Louis Vuitton round coin purse. I'm hungry. You're like, girl, we didn't ask you. My Louis Vuitton sunglasses, my Louis Vuitton slim wallet. Girl, this is a joke. This is trinkets in here in this big old bag. I'm gonna do it anyway because I started it. But now I'm embarrassed. This look like, come on, man. Like, what am I doing? What am I, like, you know, everything that fit in here. But you know what? Let's go for it. Alright? I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna stick with it. My Summer Fridays lip gloss. My lip gloss is popping. My AirPods. My business card holder, my cigarette case. I don't smoke. I keep my charging cables for my phone, some hand sanitizer because people nasty, 6 key ring holder, my mailbox key. Girl, why these in here? These are my mailbox. My mailbox keys and to get into my mail room, and then my little pill case. Because the world be giving me a headache, okay? I got to be prepared. Okay, that's it. Let me show you how I look. Here you go.
What was the reason? What was the reason?
Now, I usually get my organizer for my bags, but I'm not getting organized for this bag. Like, who are we kidding? But I had got a idea, okay? Let's compare, because if you have an on the go and you was considering an Empire, or if you have an Empire and you were considering the on the go, okay? And then in another video, I could do, if you really want me to. If you really want me to, with a problem, ain't no problem. Just ask me in the comments. I can do an in-depth comparison. But let's just do a, girl, I can't even fit it in the, hold on. Okay. I can't even, yeah, alright, we might have to do a good review. Okay. And this is in the MM size. Coach Empire 40. Y'all, I'm hungry. Okay, focus. Here we go. Alright. Alright, now, again, if you want me to do an in-depth comparison to the Coach Empire 40 and the, I could do both actually. I can do a comparison between the Empire 40 and the on-the-go MM and the Empire 40 and the on-the-go GM. Let me know if you want that in the comments. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my unboxing of the Coach Empire in the size 40. I am going to wear it today. So let me know if, again, you want me to do the comparison to the Louis Vuitton on the go versus the Coach Empire, because I'm going to wear it today also. So during that video, not only can I do a comparison in size, I can do a wear test and how comfortable it is, how versatile it is, because I really thought that, don't get me wrong, this is big enough for every day. Like, that's not even the problem. But I thought it was going to be more like in between a long everyday, like you have a long day everyday bag and a carry-on. I thought it was going to be an in-between style. I don't think that this is it. I don't think that's what this is. So if you might be a little confused on the sizing, because they also make a size smaller than the 40 and a size bigger than the 40, which I think is the 48. So if you want me to do a comparison of the GM, MM, do all that good stuff, okay, let me know in the comments. I'll be, with a problem, ain't no problem. I'll be more than happy to do that. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, boo!